America. Fuck yeah. Oh, something went dirty over there. Huh. I have an ant in my fucking helmet. Get the hell out of here. Well, you guys all know the deal. I'm getting off of work. Gonna go meet up with a couple of guys later on tonight. Do a little ride out to a bike night over in Banana Bay. It's a restaurant, Asian Plaza. Meet up with a good amount of other bikes. A lot of R1s, Aprilia, some other Ducatis. You know, just to name a few. A couple friends of ours. So good to see that. Alright, really. Look at you guys go on a red fucking light. Yes, good fucking job.
You gotta see this. Yeah. I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finesse a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my.
Gotta love your commitment. I want to talk to you guys too as well. I don't know if any of you guys follow into. Damn, there we go. Camera was blocking my windscreen. I don't know if any of you guys follow SNEWJ, but there was something on that video, his latest video, well, second to latest video, with a new rider that ended up buying a brand new Panigale and dropped that shit the first time on video. Boy's only been riding for what, a week, 2 weeks. Fixation like a motherfucker, trying to turn, going almost into the curbs, not knowing how to put his helmet on correctly, padding all over the place, the buckle to actually go into the helmet as well. Yeah, not even yeah, well, we won't go there. But I just kind of wanted to talk more about really just new bike riders, squids, stuff like that. I mean, if you got the money to buy it, you know, whatever. It's a dream bike, get it. But get it once you have the actual experience of riding. If you just get a permit and go out and just buy a bike and think, hey, I can match up with everybody else because, you know, I got a bike now, it's not gonna happen. It's not that way. What it really does is make you look like a squid times 10 because you're riding around almost hitting into things and not knowing how to turn. Fixation on how to turn when you're fixation on things like that, it just makes you look 10 times worse. You know, take the course. I know it's probably what, 150, 200 bucks, 250, depending, I don't know, wherever location you're going to go get it, but it's worth it. Because that information will help save you on stupid shit like dropping your bike or learning how to not drop your bike. It's very helpful. I took it when I first started riding, how many years back, and I've gone through, what, 8 different bikes? Just learning the different types of bike, different ways of how the bike feels, basically, just because I wanted to learn. And that experience gave me a lot of just knowing how to ride, knowing more experience from what not to do when riding. And that's what you need to do. You know, you start from something that's really easy and then you go from there. You know, if you want to start from a 300, do it. Start from a 250, do it. But the only thing I can tell you about those is that eventually, 6 months down the line, a year down the line, you're ready for a 6. You're ready for a 750 because you're going to feel that it's just not as much momentum to really, you know, get you out of certain positions. 300s are pretty damn good. You go up to like mountains and all that, go twisties, believe me, they kick ass. They kick ass. But eventually, after a while, you just don't have that speed. There's other times where you're going to need speed to get out of certain locations, certain, you know, predicaments, and you're on a 300. It just doesn't go. It doesn't have that torquiness. And then things happen. But a lot of times, too, is because you get the feeling of knowing how to ride, and there's just not that, there's not that love anymore, you know, not that, I know this can go faster, but it doesn't do it because it's at its full potential. It can't go anywhere up, anywhere higher. And selling the bike after, once you buy it, hopefully you buy it used, because you will be dropping it, but once you buy it, that amount that gone into that bike, yeah, you won't see that again, because they depreciate so much for 300s that it's pointless. 600, you can kind of get something back after, you know, letting it go. You know, if you hopefully put a cage in while you're learning on the 6 after that too, you keep your plastics good. But yeah, you'll basically see the difference on the performance of both bikes, as well as the depreciation of both bikes on pricing once you try to get rid of them. And you know, once you're trying to get rid of a 300 and you're like, oh hey, let's go get a new 600, well, the trade-in value, or even just selling it, whoa, what the fuck are you? Damn! Are you really that stupid? Look, what the fuck, dude? People these days, man, you can't trust people in cars. It's so frustrating. And then they look at you like, hey, I didn't do anything. You're in a bike. It's like, fuck, man, just pay attention to people. Just because I got 2 wheels don't mean I'm the same as you. I'm in a vehicle. Pay attention. Yeah. Stupid. But if you guys have watched his video, you're gonna see he drops his bike, brand new, to Panigale, and its fixation on making a turn in a parking garage. Like, I think what it was is him looking down while he was turning, or looking down while you're trying to make that left, and hard handful of front brake, and just too much weight, couldn't hold it, and ba-bam. So, like I said, if you have the money to buy that bike, good, but I would probably recommend to wait until you get the experience. Wait until you get an idea how bikes really are when you're out there riding in the street, riding on the freeway, riding twisties. If you don't get an idea, you're basically gonna, you know, have an idea that something's gonna happen real quick. Like how that happened. If you didn't get, okay, like just that, take an example. If that girl did that in front of somebody that was a brand new rider, how would they react to something like that? How would they know what to do? You know, looking over to your right to make sure you can go around that car. Knowing how to brake, what brake to use, both of them, the rear brake, the front brake. There's so many different things that would basically put you in a circumstance to either A, get out of it, or B, get yourself hurt. And that kind of situation is what he put himself into, because he doesn't know how to ride, and we all see that. You know, like, hey, you got the bike, you got to back up on it, you're gonna go back up and riding on it, good, perfect. But at the same time, the guys that you're riding with, they should be teaching you while you're riding what to expect, as well as to kind of follow their line. Not in a sense of line of like how they ride, but in a sense of just precautionary riding. What to expect. That's what you need to be looking at. Not be like, oh, I'm cool because I have a brand new bike. Well, yeah, you have a brand new bike. It looks cool. But it don't look cool when you're on the ground falling and doing stupid shit like that because you don't know how to ride. So, you know, if you guys are looking into getting a new bike or even just getting a bike in general, take the class. Learn how to ride. Even if it's not even taking a class yet, take the bike over to like a parking lot and just learn the clutch, learn the friction zone, learn how to move the bike with your body, how to position your body. The more you do stuff like that, the faster it is that you're going to be able to be on that bike and feel comfortable and actually just be one with the bike. Some Zen shit right there, but it's true. The more you act like that, the more it's basically going to help you out. And that's from my experience because I did take the class. I did do all that stuff. And I mean, look what kind of bike I'm riding now. Look what kind of bikes I'm riding now. My wife, for instance, rides this bike, which I'll get you guys to see her eventually. But she rides, and she did take the class, and she does like to do things that are on the bike, and she does like to watch other people's riding critiques and how they do things because she likes riding. She likes to be safe, and that's what you need to be doing, is being safe. So, you know, get into the groove if you guys are getting into the bike thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys later on when I meet up with the other guys for bike night. SoCal S1KRR. Peace out. And we're back. Oh man. Okay, let's go. Where are you at, homeboy? Oh, there you are. What up, dude?
What's up, man? This is my friend Mark.
Let's go, man. Robert, man, nice to meet you. You work with them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's right, I remember. I'm just like, see, because I think they're still at the house, so if anything, we'll probably just have them meet here, or we'll just go over there.
All right. You got, how many more are going to come?
1, 2, 3. I think we're meeting up like 4 other bikes, and then a couple other guys are going to meet over there as well.
All right.
Whoops. Got a little excited. Right. Nope. Whatever.
Get better gas mileage with SNEWJ. Excellent. 70 grams for better gas mileage. One over there. Solid fluid.
The multiplier.
Fuel detergent number 1.
Fuel detergent number 2.
Anti-adhesion compound. With 70 ingredients, new SNEWJ gasolines can.
And there's napkins right there. Oh, y'all didn't see that. Y'all did not see that. I'll see that though. What up? Yeah, there's another group right here. What up?
that motherfucker hammer time like, boy, stupid.
Sexy! First to want to leave, last to leave. You did it! You did it!
Feels like you should have come in.
fucking crazy, dude. Come on, go. That was a almost fucking. I can't even do it with my shield down. Fucking blurry as fuck.
Sorry, I farted.
Let's have a smell, all right? Ooh, wafting, wafting. Oh, everyone likes their own brand, don't they? This is magic. All right, analysis. Oh, it smells like carrots and throw up. Oh, that could gag a maggot. I smell like hot, sick ass and a dead carcass. Oh, even Steak would say that stinks. You know when you go to an apartment building and you smell other people's cooking on each floor and you're going, what are they cooking? That plus
We can never go back. Thought you'd like to know that.